Good morning, everyone. Now, today we will again perform practical of volumetric section. Okay. Now, today is second methyl orange practical. Second, we have performed first in last lecture. Today we will perform second methyl orange practical. Okay. Now, listen in. To determine molarity and strain of a X molar HCl solution against m by 10 NaHCO3 solution. Okay. Now look here. In burette, you have to fill up. In burette, you have to fill up X molar HCl solution into your burette. Okay. Flask. In flask, we have to take m by 10 molar NaH solution. Okay. Indicator, same way. Methyl orange, you have to add 1 drop only methyl orange. Okay. And your color change is yellow to orange. Okay. Your color change is yellow to orange. Now reaction is here. Okay. NaHCO3 plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Now here acidity of NaCO3 is 1 and basicity of HCl is 1. Both are 1. Okay. So here is your practical. Now here is your observation table. Okay. You have to take 3 readings. Pivot reading, approximate reading, final reading, initial and difference. And here is your calculation. Same way A1 M1 V1 is equal to A2 M2 V2. Okay. So today we will perform again methyl orange practical. Listen to me carefully. In methyl orange practical, you have to take acid solution. You have to take acid solution into your burette. You have to fill up acid solution into your burette. Okay. And in case of phenolphthalein, you have to take base solution into your burette. So here is your one more practical to determine molarity and strain of X molar HCl against m by 10 molar NaSCO3. Okay. Now friends, listen. Here is your acid solution. Okay. HCl solution into 250 ml beaker. Again, here is NaHCO3 solution into your 100 ml beaker. Now I am filling my burette with acid solution. Okay. Yes. Then I will set here lower meniscus at the point of 0. Okay. You have to take lower meniscus zero scale. Okay. Lower meniscus. Now here is, now I will take 10 ml NaH solution, 10 ml through pipette. Here is my scale of 10 ml. I will take again lower meniscus here. I will set lower meniscus again. Yes. You have to use first finger only here. Okay. And release air. Yes. So here is your scale and here is your lower meniscus. Clear? So I will take 10 ml into my conical flask. Okay, so here is your solution. Now I will add 1 drop methyl orange and we will get yellow color. Okay, now I will change yellow color into orange. Okay, so I will start now titration here. You have to do your titration drop wise. Okay. At the end point, you have to stop your addition when color will change into orange. Now look here, my color is changed. Okay, orange color, yellow to orange. Now look here, my reading is, I think 11 or 12 in between. 11 or 12 in between. Here is your 11, here is your 12, here is your 0.5, so 11.67 something is my burette reading. Okay, 11 and 12 in between, 11.6 is my burette reading. Okay, now here is your calculation section. Clear? Observation table. So reading 11.6, 11.7, 11.6. Okay, 3 reading you have to take. Okay, now listen. Here is your pilot reading. Pilot reading means, I told you pilot reading means approximate reading. You have to write down pilot reading only. Okay, so if your burette reading is 11.6, 11.7, 11.6, so your pilot reading is 12. You have to write down your pilot reading 12. Okay. Now look here. Here is final reading, initial reading 0, 0. Here is your final reading, your burette reading and difference. Okay, between final and initial. And here is your concurrent reading. Concurrent reading is 11.6 mm. Okay. Now calculation. A1 M1 V1 is equal to A2 M2 V2. Same way, no change. Here is NaCO3 solution, HCl. So NaCO3 A1. So base acidity of NaCO3 is 1. So we are putting here figure 1. Okay, molarity. Molarity means M by 10 NaCO3. That's why 0.1. Okay, and V1 is, you have to take 10 ml NaCO3 into your conical flask, 10 ml. So volume of NaCO3 is 10. Okay. Now listen. Here is in case of HCl. HCl's basicity of HCl is 1. So here is A2 is equal to 1. Okay. Molarity M2 we have to find out molarity X. Okay. And V2 means your burette reading. Okay. So here is your burette reading. You have to put figure concurrent reading here. Okay, burette reading 11.6. Okay, so here is your calculation, and M is equal to molarity of HCl. M is equal to 0.0862. Your molarity is figure. And lastly, your strength of HCl. You have to find out your strength, X molar HCl. Okay, so here is your strength of HCl, molarity multiplied molecular mass. So molarity is equal to 0.0862 multiplied molecular mass of HCl, 36.5. So your finally answer is 3.14 gram per liter. Okay, so here is your again methyl orange practical. Okay, X molar HCl against M by 10 molar NaHCO3 solution. Okay, thank you.